Did you know that the first programming language wasn't even for a computer? In the 1840s, Ada Lovelace, often called the world's first programmer, created an algorithm for Charles Babbage's analytical engine, a mechanical precursor to the computer. She realized that the machine could be used to calculate more than just numbers, even creating patterns and processing data for complex tasks. While the machine itself was never completed, Ada's visionary work laid the groundwork for modern computing. So next time you write code, remember, it all started with a 19th century mathematician thinking far ahead of her time.